Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We're in the rural area. We're using a gravity-fed mechanical to electrical conversion device. So we lift up a sandbag up top to 3 meters in height. The sandbag weighs 11 kilograms. Okay, so the sandbag slowly descends. It pulls a gear train. The gear train is connected to the DC generator. It produces electricity. The light bulb produces 17 lumens. The sandbag needs to be lifted up 21 minutes, or every 21 minutes. The efficacy of the light bulb is 151 lumens per watt. Find the descending velocity of the sandbag and the overall efficacy. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. So we got a sandbag, it's 3 meters in height. Okay, and there's some rope or wires that are connected to the gear train, which is connected to the generator. List all the given variables, find the unknowns. So we're trying to find velocity and overall efficiency, mass, height, lighting, efficacy, time. So 11 kilograms, 3 meters, 17 lumens, 151 lumens per watt, and 21 minutes, respectively. Step 3, find the velocity formula. Change in distance over change in time. Step 4, plug and play. Both are given, the change in height and change in time. We want to convert it to millimeters per second because it's slowly descending. So you'll get 2.38 millimeters per second. So that is the answer for part A. Moving on to part B, find the overall efficiency formula. The symbol is eta. It's the Greek symbol for efficiency. So we want the power out over the power in, or energy out over energy in. Step 6, find the power out or energy out, so E dot, so the energy rate or energy flow rate. So it's the energy lighting divided by the efficacy, both are given in the question. Step 7, plug and play. 17 lumens divided by 151 lumens per watt. The lumens cancel out, you're left with 0.1125 watts. Step 8, find the energy flow rate going in. So E dot in is equal to energy in divided by the change in time. We got the change in time. So step 9, find the formula for E in. So that is the same as the potential energy. So it's just mass times gravity times height. Step 10, plug and play. 11 kilograms multiplied by 9.81 meters per second squared multiplied by 3 meters. Make sure you got your conversion units to get it into joules. So you get 323.73 joules. Step 11, find the energy flow rate going in. So have this energy divided by the change in time, which is 21 minutes. So you want to make sure it's in seconds because it's joules per second is your energy, which is a watt. So that'll give you 0.2569 watts. Step 12, we can now fully backtrack and get the overall efficiency. So the energy flow rate out is step 7, energy flow rate in is step 11. So step 11 is over here, step 7 is over here. Okay, so you got your energy flow rate out divided by energy flow rate in. So in other words, power out divided by power in. So you get 0.437, so that's 43.7% in overall efficiency. So you can double the amount of lighting from 17 lumens to 34 lumens by doubling the weight of the sandbag. However, it requires lifting 22 kgs, apologies, of weight by a strong person or by a pulley system. I recommend the pulley system. The person's probably going to tire out and you're not going to be consistently lifting 21 kilograms every 21 minutes. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on the video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the stop button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.